Hey, Clint Butler here. Let's face the facts. More often than not, when you're optimizing your website's page speed, you're looking for a way to boost your rankings. However, a great side effect of having a fast loading website is the increased engagement your content gets from real visitors. Now let's take a look at some of the more common page speed testing tools that you can use to see how you're doing against your competition. All right, so the first thing that everyone thinks of is obviously Google's page speed because, Google's the best, right? So what they do is they search for page speed and you get Google developers and you end up landing on this page. This service is actually being shut down. They used to run it like a CDN, and when I used it and tested it in beta testing when it first started, it was horrible. It actually slowed down my website, and then Google tech people told me that that was normal, which, okay, we don't agree with. So I stopped using it. Now you have, if you have an HTML website and you know how, or you have someone that can do your Apache and stuff, you have this NGINX that you can install into your server to take advantage of some of the functions of Google's page speed coding. But that's an option for you. If you're a WordPress user, don't even bother. However, they do have a testing tool. It's called PageSpeed Insights, and if you search for that versus PageSpeed or PageSpeed Tools, you'll just come straight to this page. All you do is enter a URL in there and click Analyze, and then it'll bring back a whole bunch of great information for you. And the page that you're going to see is going to look something like this down here, the PageSpeed Insights. The next tool is called GT Metrics. This is actually a pretty good tool. It only tests from one location that I can see, and that's from Vancouver, Canada. So if you're only serving people in California, you're going to get some kind of mixed results in here. However, there is some data in here that you can use when you're optimizing, and that's why I like to actually hit the site up at least once or twice using this tool as I'm fine-tuning and tweaking. And again, like any other tool, you're going to get a score, load time, etc. My preferred tool, however, is called the Pingdom Web Speed Test, and you can get it from tools@pingdom.com. And the reason I like it is, one, you can keep it as public or not if you want to. They don't make you do it. It's free. And secondly, you can adjust where you're testing from. So for example, if I have a site that only serves California, why would I test from New York, right? So I switch that to San Jose, California, and I see what people in California are going to see in general, because I'm testing from San Jose. And if someone's opening it in LA, for an example, then we're good to go. We kind of know what they're going to see. Again, you just enter your URL and click test now, and then you're going to get a whole bunch of results, and they kind of pop up. You can give you codes and colors and all that other stuff. We can go over that in another video. But those are the three tools. Again, tools.pingdom.com is my preferred one. GT Metrics is great to use. And then there's good old PageSpeed Insights from Google. And this is data you can actually see inside of your Google Analytics as well. So I hope that is helpful for you with the page speed testing tools.